play for preventing the exploitation of the environment in war, we must confront the bitter truth. Warfare doesn't just claim lives, it devastates our environment. From scorched earths, deforested landscapes, contaminated soil, the environmental scars from post-war stay long after peace treaties are signed. Disabilities, disorders, radiation, destroyed cities and families, wars affect all. So we must act now by strengthening laws, developing environmentally friendly military practices, and holding violators accountable. We can surely be a step forward in making this world a better place. And do remember, when we protect the environment, we protect humanity. Thank you.